These are the old parts that were broken out of that ratchet initially. Again, I was not being careful, put just a little bit too much force on it. You can see here, this actually broke into two pieces. From there, basically took the selector and the spring and completely screwed it up. This is actually in good shape still, so I'll probably just keep that, hang on to that. The pawl itself is actually in good shape, so we'll keep this as a spare part as well, and our cover, but these are junk. So again, just was being a little overzealous with the strength and wound up snapping it. But again, rebuilt, good as new, works great.